So, you're thinking about a new construction home in Palm Bay for 2026, but you also want to know the real price. And let me guess, you see all the signs, right? The flashy banners all promising homes from the 200,000s. But what does that actually get you? It's like seeing an ad for a new car, starting at $19,999. But the one on the showroom floor with the features you actually want costs tens of thousands of dollars more. Is it just a marketing trick, or can you really land a brand new home for that price? Well, let me tell you, your search is over. We've been hunting down the most affordable, the best value, and the most luxurious new homes in the market. And in this video, we're cutting through all the noise. I'm gonna pull back the curtains and show you everything. This is your 2026 buyer's guide to new construction homes in Palm Bay, Florida. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Stephen Thomas with Home Smart Coastal Realty, and I'm your real estate pro here on the Florida Space Coast. My specialty is helping folks just like you navigate this world of real estate and new construction. It's a totally different game than buying a resale home, like playing chess instead of checkers. The rules are different, the strategies are different, and I'm here to give you that insider playbook. So for those of you who are looking to buy here in the Palm Bay area, the link to book a call is in the description below. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. Palm Bay is the biggest city in Brevard County, and right now it's absolutely booming, attracting families, professionals, and retirees who want that Florida lifestyle without that crazy price tag of Orlando or even Miami. In this video, we're going to be breaking down the three main price tiers that you'll find in Palm Bay right now. First, we'll hunt for those elusive entry-level homes to see if those in the 200,000s promise actually hold up. Then we'll explore the mid-range, what we call the sweet spot, where most families find their perfect fit. And finally, we'll check out the upper tier, upgraded models to see how far your money can really go. I'm giving you the real numbers, builders' names, and also community details you won't find on a glossy website. Let's get to it and find out what your new home in Palm Bay really costs. Let's tackle the biggest question first. Can you actually buy a new single-family home in Palm Bay for under $300,000 in 2026? I'm sure you've seen the ads, you've heard the promises. The answer is actually yes, but you have to know exactly where to look and what to expect. This price point is all about getting your foot in the door of home ownership with a brand new property. Forget the bells and whistles for a second. We're talking about a new roof, new AC, new appliances, and the peace of mind that comes with a builder's warranty. We've been on the hunt and found some of the most affordable options out there. Let me tell you, your search should start with a specific type of home, a villa. Perfect example of this is in the master plan community of Everlands. In the Timbers at Everlands, the Villas collection, often built by Lennar, here you can find homes with starting prices that genuinely flirt with the low to mid 200,000s. Current data shows some starting from just $241,000. So what's a villa? Think of it like two books standing side by side on a shelf. You share one wall with a neighbor in a duplex style building, but you have your own cover, your own story, and your own entrance. This is super efficient for builders, which is how they keep the prices so low. For that price, you're getting a home that's around 1,300 to 1,500 square feet with 2 or 3 bedrooms. It's compact, sure, but the open concept layouts these days make the space feel way bigger than the number suggests. This is a perfect fit for a first-time home buyer tired of renting, a retiree looking to downsize, or a single professional wanting a home base on the Space Coast. The trade-off is a smaller yard and a close neighbor, but the upside is a low-maintenance lifestyle where the HOA often handles all the exterior landscaping. But what if you got your heart set on a detached single-family home with your own private yard? The search isn't over. This is where a builder like Miranda Homes often comes into play. Their strategy is different. They tend to buy individual quarter-acre lots scattered across the city, especially in the 32909 zip code. Think of it like choosing between an all-you-can-eat buffet and a master plan community. The buffet has tons of amenities, but also has rules and fees. The local spot, which is a scatter lot home, is more straightforward, giving you what you want without the big community overhead. Historically, builders like Miranda have offered floor plans with starting prices in the high 200,000s. For that, you can get a detached home of about 1,300 to 1,500 square feet with 3 beds and 2 baths. These homes are turnkey and cover all the essentials without a ton of frills. The finishes will be standard, think laminate countertops instead of quartz, and carpet in the bedrooms. But guess what? Everything is brand new. This is an incredible shot at getting a standalone home with a real yard, which is becoming a unicorn at this specific price anywhere in Florida. Plus, these builders often have move-in ready spec homes and are highly motivated to make a deal, sometimes offering thousands in closing costs. So to wrap up the entry-level tier, it's real. You can find new homes starting in the high 200,000s. The key is just managing expectations. You're either looking at a compact detached villa in a big community or a more basic detached home on a scattered lot. Either way, you get the unbeatable value of new construction. All right, before we jump into the mid-range options, which is where things get really interesting, I have to give you a piece of advice that could literally save you a fortune. When you walk into that gorgeous model home, the super friendly agent who greets you works for one person and one person only, the builder. This is critical. Using the builder's agent is like going to court and asking the other side's lawyer to represent you as well. That lawyer has a sworn duty to protect their client and not you. My job as your buyer's agent is to represent you. I have a legal fiduciary duty to get you the lowest price, the best incentives, and the most favorable terms. And the best part, my services cost you, the buyer, absolutely nothing. The builder pays my commissions. So if you're even thinking about exploring new construction here in Palm Bay, the first step is to schedule a free, no obligation strategy call with yours truly with the link in the description below. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. We'll map out your goals and make sure you have an expert on your side before you even thinking about walking into that model home alone. Now, welcome to the heart of the Palm Bay new construction market. This mid-tier is the price range where most buyers, especially families, hit the jackpot. In early 2026, we're talking about the median price that hovers in the mid 300,000s, with various sources placing it anywhere between $340,000 and $367,000. Guess what? This is the sweet spot, my friends. This is where you can see a big jump in the square footage, more bedrooms, more community amenities, and even a better ability to personalize your home, which is great news for you. Builders are fighting for your business here at this price range, which is great news for you. A perfect place to see this in action is the Gardens at Waterstone by KB Homes. Now, KB Homes is known for letting buyers personalize their lot in a design studio. While their prices span a wide range, the core of their homes land right here in the sweet spot. Here, for around $370,000 all the way up to $425,000, you're getting a much larger home, typically 1,800 to 2,500 square feet. These floor plans often have 4 or even 5 bedrooms, as well as a 2-car garage. You might find a 2,000 square foot model with 4 bedrooms plus a flex space for a home office and a playroom. That's a lot. That's the kind of space a growing family really needs. Another huge player here is Lennar, especially with their single family homes at the Timbers at Everlands. Now, unlike their villas, these are larger detached homes that often start in the mid 300,000s. Lennar's big selling point is their everything's included model. This is a game changer. It's the difference between ordering a combo meal versus ordering a la carte. The combo gives you burgers, fries, and a drink for one clear price. With other builders, it's a la carte. That cheese, those pickles, that special sauce, they all cost extra. Lennar's price includes a full package of upgrades like stainless steel appliances, blinds, smart home tech, and often quartz countertops. Now, let's talk about K. Hovanian Homes. With communities like Aspire at Palm Bay, while you might see signs that says from $349,000, a more realistic expectation for a family-sized home will be closer to the $400,000 mark. In fact, recent listings show homes priced between $406,000 and $449,000. But, and this is so important, they will also advertise incentives on those homes as well. And that right there shows you how critical builders' incentives are. Now, depending on the time of the year and also their inventory, you can find deals like huge price reductions, closing cost credits, or interest rate buy downs that can save you tons of money on your monthly payments. As we get into these amenity-rich communities, we have to talk about fees. Don't be scared by them, just be informed. You'll almost certainly have HOA fees, which usually covers the community pool, playground, landscaping, and also maybe a gate. In Palm Bay, these can run from about $150 to $250 a month. In the newest, biggest communities, you might also have a CDD fee. Think of the CDD like this. The developer took out a big loan to build an amazing lazy river and shiny new roads on day one. The CDD is simply you paying back a small slice of that loan over time. It's paid once a year with your property taxes, and it could be about $1,500 to $2,500. It's simply the cost of living in a brand new community where it feels like you're living on a vacation every day. So, what if you have a bigger budget? What if you're after more space, more luxury, and premium features as well? Let's explore the upper tier of Palm Bay's new construction market. This is where prices start in the mid 400s and climb towards the $500,000 mark. And while Palm Bay is known for being affordable, this tier offers incredible bang for your buck, especially when you compare it to other coastal cities throughout Florida. For this kind of money, you're not just getting a home, you're getting a statement piece. We're talking about the biggest floor plans from the best builders on the most desirable lots. Let's go back to Gardens at Waterstone by KB Homes. Their largest model can top 3,200 square feet with up to 6 bedrooms priced in the upper $400,000s and sometimes reaching over $440,000. At this level, you get it all. A 3-car garage, a dedicated home office, a huge upstairs game room, and a gourmet kitchen with a massive island that's the centerpiece of the home. On that same token, at the Timberlands at Everlands, Lennar offers executive style homes like those at the Grand Collection, which can be priced around $439,000. Those homes sit on premium lots, maybe backing up to a lake or a conservation area for privacy and great views. With floor plans approaching 2,800 square feet, they're perfect for multi-generational living or for families that just want to simply spread out. Beyond the big national builders, you also find other options like Roswell and communities such as Country Club Estates. They can offer a much more semi-custom feel. While they might start in the mid 300,000s, their larger, more customized homes will easily land in the upper tier, perfect for buyers who want an executive home in a smaller, more intimate community. One of the biggest myths is that builders' incentives disappear at this price point. That could not be further from the truth. The opposite is often true. It's like trying to get a discount on a luxury car versus an economy car. The dealership has a lot more negotiating room on a $90,000 vehicle than they do on a $20,000 vehicle. Builders have much more profit margin to play with on a $470,000 home, and we've seen them offer staggering incentives. It's not unheard of to see documented price reductions of $25,000 or more, especially on quick move-in ready homes. That kind of discount can subtly make a top-of-the-line model fall right into your budget. So what does the upper tier get you in Palm Bay? It gets you space, and lots of it. It gets you premium finishes, a 3-car garage, and one of the best lots in the neighborhood, all for a price that's still way less than you'd pay for a comparable new home in many other parts of Florida. After all of that, the big question is 2026 the right time to buy new construction in Palm Bay? All the market trends point to healthy, sustainable growth. Demand is steady, fueled by huge job expansions on the Space Coast, especially from employers like L3 Harris, Northrop Grumman, and also the Health First medical system. Unlike the crazy, frantic market a few years ago, homes in Palm Bay are now staying in the market for a more normal period, around 78 to 90 days to be exact. The market has shifted from a 100-yard dash to a comfortable marathon. And you know this means you have more breathing room. You have time to pace yourself, think, compare builders, and make a smart decision without the pressure of a bidding war. It shows that the market is balanced and healthy. But make no mistake, good homes at a fair price are still selling. On top of that, the value of buying new has never been stronger. Think of it like buying a new car versus buying a used one. A new construction home comes with that new car smell, plus that peace of mind of that bumper-to-bumper warranty. You get builder warranties, sometimes up to 10 years on the structure. You don't have to worry about a 15-year-old roof or an ancient AC. Today's homes are also built to be incredibly energy efficient, which saves you money every single month on your utility bills. When you factor in the lack of repair costs and the lower cost of ownership, the decision to buy makes a lot more sense. So there you have it, your complete 2026 buyer's guide to new construction in Palm Bay. From the super affordable villas in the high 200,000s to the family-friendly sweet spot in the mid to upper 300,000s, and all the way up to the spacious luxury models pushing $500,000. Palm Bay truly has a new home for every single budget. We've talked about the big names like Lennar and KB Homes and explored the unique values from builders like Miranda. The most important takeaway is that the starting from price is just the first chapter. The real value is found by understanding the different tiers, the community fees, and most importantly, the builder's incentives. And the best way to leverage those incentives is with an expert negotiator on your side. If you're ready to see how much you can save, my calendar is open. Use the link in the description below to book a 15-minute discovery call today. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these price points surprised you the most? Are you looking for a starter home, or do you need the space of an upper tier model? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I read every response every day. And if you follow my channel for a while, you know I'm gonna respond. And like I said before, my passion is helping people through this exciting process. If you're ready to stop dreaming and start touring, go ahead and book that call with the link in the description below. As you see below, the wind is picking up, so that means it's time to go. I'll see you in the next video.